this is Patricia Mamangon and today we're kicking off something exciting and super healthy. We are here at the Watson's Great Health Fest 2025 happening right now at SM City Pampanga Event Center. Grabe guys, ang daming ganap dito. 55 health and wellness brands all in one place.
Meron ditong booths with free health consultations, live demos, and even Watson's Club exclusive perks. May mga freebies pa nga.
Seriously, this Health Fest 2025 is definitely on another level. It's holistic, more hands-on, and definitely more fun.
And guess what? The Health Fest is just getting started. We're bringing all this health and happiness to more cities around the country. Kabalen, this Health Fest is open from May 29 to June 4.
Super nice po ng event na to kasi super daming great deals and ang daming discount po ngayon. Kaya mag-download na po kayo ng Watson's app para mas makatipid po kayo pag bumili po kayo sa Watson's.
So mark your calendars, tell your friends, and join the movement to live healthier, happier lives with Watson's. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.